Welcome to NTM video from the largest seaside town on the Yorkshire coast. Yes, Scarborough. We're looking at the famous Grand Hotel in front. Scarborough's famous for its sandy beaches located in 2 bays, the historical castle, the Grand Hotel which I will tell you about shortly, and it's also famous for being a spa town. Here we are, approaching the Clifftop tram station, run by Central Tramway Company and built in 1881. It's not running today though, there's repairs going on. If you want to find it, you can find it near the Grand Hotel and the St Nicholas Gardens. Wow, isn't that a very good view over South Bay and the harbour? Here's Stanley. Right, let's cross the road and go over to the beach. So this is South Bay Beach, which is near to all the amenities. North Bay is on the other side of the harbour and tends to be a much quieter location. Right, here's an interesting fact about the Grand Hotel which we're looking at. Built in 1867, it was Europe's largest hotel in its time. Now, it has 4 towers representing the seasons, 12 floors which represent the months, 52 chimneys the weeks, and the bedrooms, yes, you've guessed it, 365 of them represent the days in the year. we'll walk along the promenade towards the harbour and let's see what's happening there. Look at all the sand here on the promenade where it's been washed up by the sea. Crikey. Hey, who remembers the film Big with Tom Hanks? Look at this, Zoltar, the magical fortune-telling arcade machine. One thing we always do when we come to the coast. Yes, you've guessed it, fish and chips. We are at the harbour. Can you see the castle ruins up there? That lies between the north and south bays. On the cliff edge you will find the remains of a Roman signal station and an Anglo-Saxon church. Its 12th century tower is the centrepiece, but the buildings surrounding it are more recent. In the 1650s it was a prison, and in the 1914 war 2 German warships bombarded that castle. Look at this, the Regal Lady rescued 1,200 soldiers from the beaches of Dunkirk. Wow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.